हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज आम डिस्कसन करिबा फिफ्थ सेमिस्टर कोर 12 रो सिलेक्टेड एमसीक्यू सबु यूनिट रो आम आज डिस्कसन करिबा। तो वीडियोटी भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करदेव। तो वीडियोटी शेष पर्यंत देखिबो कहीं आम यूनिट 1 यूनिट 2 यूनिट 3 यूनिट 4 सबु यूनिट आज आम कभर करदेबा। तो आसतु स्टार्ट करवा। तो मु गोटे वीडियो रे यूनिट 1 रो ब्राह्मणिक श्रामणिक रो मु कंप्लीट करी किंतु आज जेहेतु मु सब यूनिट रो वीडियो बनाऊँगी तेणु आज आम यहाँ आउ थे देखा। तो जो थे मु इम्पोर्टेंट लिखी से क्वेश्चन गुड़ाक से एमसीक्यू गुड़ाक बेसी इम्पोर्टेंट अटे। तो से प्रति टिके बेसी ध्यान देव। तो आसतु स्टार्ट करवा। द वैदिक ट्रेडिशन केम अंडर द Which trend on the Indian political thought? Brahmanic trend on Indian political thought. Next question. Which trend cover the Jain, Buddhist and other ascetic tradition? Which trend? Shramanic trend. Which tradition believes in cycle of birth and death and the moksha liberation from that cycle? Which tradition? Shramanic. The Brahmanism was the supreme foundation of Smriti, which is derived from Ru, and Ru means to hear. तो देखिले आम कौन ब्राह्मणिज्म। ऋक्, साम, यजु, अथर्व, वेद एंड उपनिषद आर व्हिच पार्ट्स? कहार पार्ट्स अटंती? श्रुतिर। Which society is derived or divided into 4 caste ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय, वैश्य, शूद्र? Which society? समस्त जानी बट इम्पोर्टेंट मध्य एवं सहज क्वेश्चन ब्राह्मणिक। Sanctity and profaneness were essential concept in which society? They had nothing to do with moral values but were strongly integrated into their religion. Brahmanical society. Next question. Who was the founder of Jainism? Who? Mahavir. Vardhaman Mahavir. Who was the founder of Buddhism? Gautam Buddha. Who pronounced the 4 noble truths, Chari Arya Satya, to get rid of human suffering? Who? Buddha. Gautam Buddha. Next question. In Jain tradition, Rishabhnath, Padmaprabha, Chandraprabha, Pushpadanta, Vimalnath, Dharmanath, Naminath like dash person named was discussed. क्यों तीर्थंकर ना तांकु कौन कह जाए? एमानंकु तीर्थंकर बोली कहा जाए। ऋषभनाथ वाज द फास्ट तीर्थंकर क्यों? जैनिज्म रो। तापरे हु वाज द 22 तीर्थंकर ऑफ जैनिज्म? आरिस्टोनेमी तांकु कौन कह जाए? नेमिनाथ बोली मध्य कह जाए। जहाँ लिखिले भी आंसर सेम हेबो। Which tradition was divided into 2 parts, Shwetambar and Digambar, after the death of Vardhaman Mahavir? The Vardhaman Mahavir means Jainism. Religious dash demonstrate blending of 2 or more religious belief system into a new system. Syncretism. Answer is syncretism. Next question. In India, which religions affect not only Indian social life but also affect art, literature, language, philosophy, thinking, shelter, food, architecture? कौन? इस्लाम। तापरे देखिबा यूनिट 2 वेदव्यास। हु कंपोज 4 वेदास? किए 4 वेदास, 18 पुराण एवं महाभारत, श्रीमद् भागवत गीता एज नोन एज मास्टर ऑफ मास्टर हु टीच टू दत्तात्रेय? किए? वेदव्यास। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। इन हिंदू पुराण बिफोर द बार्थ ऑफ महर्षि वेदव्यास हाउ मेनी व्यास वर डिस्कस्ड? केतोटी? 28टी। डैश इज नोन एज द कृष्ण द्वैपायन? मु डिस्कस करी कि वेदव्यास। हु वाज बोर्न फ्रॉम सेज पराशर एंड सत्यवती? डैश वाज द ऑथर ऑफ विष्णु पुराण? विष्णु पुराण रो ऑथर किए? वेदव्यास। हु गेव बार्थ टू ए चाइल्ड व्हिच लेटर नोन एज? वेदव्यास को मां नाम किए? सत्यवती। आम डिस्कस कर सारी बहुत सुंदर भाव से वीडियोटी मोर भाइराल हु वाच डार्क सो ही गॉट हिज नेम कृष्ण एंड सिंस ही वाज बोर्न ऑन द आइसलैंड और द्वीप ही वाज नेम्ड कृष्ण द्वापायन किए वेद व्यास. Which concept constitute the judicious duties of king towards his subjects? Which concept? Raja Dharma. Next question. Dash main aim is people's welfare. Which? Raja Dharma's aim is people's welfare. Raja and Raja Dharma concept and thought of dash and associated with them. Praja Palana. In ancient Indian scripture, thinking about people's peace, justice and development, it's called Praja Palana बोली कहा जाइए प्रजा पालन. Kingship was a most important element and king does religious work which was called the state as Dharma Shastra and king was called Raja Dharma. Next question. Observation of religion and maintenance of neutrality is the only mean by which dash can be observed and religious state can be observed. Raja Dharma. Shanti Parva was the 18th book, 12th part of which scripture? Mahabharata. Dash has 3 sub-books and 366 chapter. Kahara? Mahabharata. Unit 2 last question. The text dash prescribes to Hindu their dharma and divides them into 4 social classes. Varnas and engage in one of the 4 stages of life. Ashramas. Which prescribe? Who prescribe? Manu Smriti. तापरे यूनिट 3 देखिबा. Who was the consultant of Maurya Samrat Chandragupta Maurya? Kautilya. Who was professor of Takshila University located in Peshawar, Pakistan? किए? Kautilya. Who known as Chanakya? Kautilya. Whose name was emerged from his tribe? Kutil. Who? Kautilya. Dash also known as Vishnugupta. Who? Chanakya. Whose name was emerged from Kutil word which means crooked or crooked intelligence person. Kautilya. Who was educated from Takshila University. Okay? Kautilya. तापर next question. Who has 2 students? Bharat and Purushdat. Who were take important role in politics for him. Who? Kautilya. Kautilya's which book? It is important. Kautilya's which book was most important in Indian political thought? Which? Arthashastra. Kautilya in his which theory he discussed about state 7 element? Saptang theory. One of the most important theories given by Kautilya is Mandal theory, which deals with the interstate relations and foreign policy of that period. Next question. Digha Nikaya is received from which dialogue? And it says 180 dialogues. Digha Nikaya is received from Gautam Buddha dialogues and it has 180 dialogues. Aganna Sutta. Which sutta is the 27 of Digha Nikaya which contain the philosophy concept of Buddhism जहाँकि आज आम डिस्कसन करी पार्ट 1 काली मु कंप्लीट करदेवी. अगण्य सूता इज द नंबर ऑफ 27 नंबर ऑफ दीघ निकाय. तापर देखिबा जियाउद्दीन बराणी रो क्लास मध्ये सरी जाइछि. जियाउद्दीन बराणी बॉर्न केबे 1285. तापरे हु वाज द कंपानियन ऑफ मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक फॉर 17 इयर्स. किए? मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक सहित 17 वर्षर कंपानियनशिप करथिले किए? जियाउद्दीन बराणी. तापरे ड्यूरिंग द एक्साइल हु रोट हिज वेल नोन लिटरेसी क्रोनिक तारीकी फिरोज शाही इन which he record event from the reign of Balban to that of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. किए? जियाउद्दीन बरानी। तापरे हु of Ziauddin Barani is related with advice of Muslim kings in order to earn religious merits and the gratitude of the subject. फतवे जहानदारी ऑफ जियाउद्दीन बरानी। फतवे जहानदारी बुकटा ए सहित रिलेटेड थिला मुस्लिम किंग्स को ये सब रिलीजियस विषय शिखौला। तापरे देखिबा लास्ट यूनिट वीडियोटी शेष पर्यंत देख समस्ते। नेक्स्ट यूनिट 4 रे देखिबा अबुल फाजल ऑफ कबीर हु वाज ए हिस्टोरियन ग्रैंड विजियर और प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ मुगल एम्परर अकबर। के अबुल फाजल जी के अकबर नामा लिखी थे। अबुल फाजल बॉर्न ऑन January 14, 1551। Next question, who was the son of Sheikh Mubarak who was settled in Agra? कि अबुल फाजल। whose brother फैजी was a poet in अकबर। अकबर उनका दरबार जड़े कवि थी कि अबुल फाजल उनको भाई फैजी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, whose two work अकबरनामा and आईनी अकबरी are complementary and supplementary to each other? Whose? Abul Fazl. Next question, Abul Fazl which book discussed about Akbar institution or administration? Which book? आईनी अकबरी आम डिस्कस करी सर्ट क्वेश्चन मुझे कही जो मैंने सब क्लास अटेंड कर भिडियोटी तुमको भल लगुव। Which is the end of Aini Akbari? Which books Akbar Nama books is the end of Aini Akbari? Aini Akbari रो end रे यही अकबर नामा स्टार्ट होइछि। तापरे which meant the emergence of Akbar as the authority with control over all aspect of governance and state. Which mean Badshah mean. Next question, Unit 4 eta. Which concept is the mixture of Mongol, Iran, Islam and Indian political tradition? Which concept? Badsahat. Tapure next question. According to whom Badsahat or Badshah means a well-established honor where he is the supreme or owner of all. Next question, Mughal emperor has paternalistic system and in this system they dash honor a Persian position, Mansabdari. In 15th century, who was the most important Indian religious teacher? Ki Kabir. Who reject the Hindu customs and Muslims but his philosophy affected by both tradition? Ki Kabir. Who was the master was? Whose master was? Ramananda. क्या कबीर करो। तापर बुक्स written by whom are generally the collection of dohas and songs which meant for religious harmony कार कबीर दास करो। तो ये कंप्लीट होला। वीडियो भल लगी वीडियो को लाइक करने को भूल ना सांग मानक शेयर कर दियो। यहाँ सिलेक्टेड सब क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन कले। थैंक यू।